excitement always follows any MJM yacht, and with the outboard-powered 3Z dual console, your enthusiasm is equally doubled. Designed and engineered to be as good as it gets when it comes to a family day yacht, she offers the kind of layout and amenities to make your time out on the water that much more memorable. Let's have a closer look. No matter where you are on the 3Z, from transom to bow and everywhere in between, you're going to find everything has been well planned for optimum comfort, safety, and enjoyment. The bow area offers outstanding views of the seaway from the comfort and safety of deep seats around a highly finished, electrically operated teak high-low table. Note the sturdy handrails to either side, as well as aft, and of course, the recessed drink holders. Safe and easy access back and forth is via this wide centerline passageway. Also present here is the convenient entrance to the head and shower compartment. As found everywhere aboard the MJM 3Z, craftsmanship and fine fit and finish is evident in all woodwork and cabinetry. And just opposite the head and shower compartment is this handy space, accessed via a door, which can be utilized in many ways, as a changing room for the kids and adults, or as an extra storage area. Moving aft into the all-weather pilot house is the starboard helm, uncluttered and clean, with all controls, including the joystick, for those twin 300 horsepower Mercury Verados outboards, Mercury Vessel View, bow thruster, and the electronics, all within easy reach. And with wide windows all around, including the electrically operated ones forward and sliding glass ones to either side, along with the open aft area, the skipper and everyone aboard will have unobstructed 360-degree views. There is plenty of comfortable seating for everyone on board from which to enjoy their time on the MJM 3Z. For the skipper, there is an adjustable STID pedestal seat. And just after that, a lounge with access to your water tanks below. Over to port, another STID pedestal is for the co-pilot, with lounge and storage just aft. A fold-out, highly finished teak table is also provided for meals, snacks, or that friendly game of Texas Hold'em. The enclosed all-weather pilot house affords relief from sunny days or as a separate entertaining space which can be air-conditioned as an option. Aft and to port is an L-shaped seating area with a refrigerator and sink. Storage below, and as well, that transom seat lifts for easy access to the bilge area. This starboard floating dock level boarding door offers safe and easy on and off. The cabinet just forward is for storage. And fully aft and also to starboard is the gate access to the swim platform. Those are some of the things you can see. What is not visible is the below deck's fastidious attention to detail the MJM craftspeople take with every personal yacht they build. From utilizing the latest CAD programs to the exacting fabrication of hull, deck, and superstructure using the company's advanced resin-infused precision epoxy composite construction to post-curing the entire build under exact temperature control and timing. The result is a stronger, lighter structure with a lower vertical center of gravity. Translation, a more stable, fuel-efficient, and better performing vessel. And while any prudent skipper would not venture forth in bad weather conditions, it is comforting to know your 3Z is rated to navigate offshore waters within 200 miles, sustain up to force 8 wind conditions, 34 to 40 miles an hour and waves up to 13 feet. So, whether you're out for the day on the water with the kids or grandkids, taking a leisurely sightseeing cruise along a local waterway, enjoying a meal while underway, or experiencing what the well-built, well-engineered, and well-appointed MJM 3Z feels like when on a fast cruise, she will deliver all that is expected from a personal yacht of this stature. If the MJM 3Z is up on your radar screen, you owe it to yourself to set up a visit and a sea trial. You will not be disappointed.